So there's been a lot of major YouTubers out there. You may know this. There's been a lot of major Netflix shows that have came out. You remember Tiger King? Do you remember Squid Game? These things came out and they were instantly popular. The problem is these shows die out very quickly. Like for example, Squid Game came out only a month or so after right? Like, it was like everybody's watched it by now. Now we can kind of go forget about it, right? That was the same thing with Tiger King as well. You watched it, it was a big craze. It lasted a little bit longer, but eventually it kind of fizzled out in that same way, or at least slowed down a lot more. We see this on YouTube as well, specifically with music videos, right? You know, Gangnam Style by Psy, right? That became the most viewed video on YouTube for a while, right? However, then what we know is the most viewed video today, which has over 10 billion views. The fact that that one video was such a gigantic craze on such a large platform and absolutely dominated it in such a short period of time makes you wonder a little bit, how have these things started to happen? And here's what I think about it. There was a video put out by Veritasium about synchrony, about how objects and in some cases people end up in sync over a certain period of time with certain conditions that connect them. And what happens is, for example, if you're going, let's say you're doing something a little bit faster than average, you're going to start slowing down, and if you're a little bit slower than average, you're going to start speeding up. So when it comes to watching popular videos or popular Netflix series, if everybody's watching it at that moment, maybe you're up here, maybe you're going to watch it a lot later. Or maybe you're down here and you're going to watch it a lot sooner than everybody else. Well, what I believe is happening is that this gap between how far most people are, this kind of, you could call it a standard deviation, is getting smaller and smaller, and therefore everybody who's going to watch it watches it immediately, and then it fades out immediately after that. What this may do in the future is condense down to a single point. This could condense into a single day where something becomes popular and then no one's talking about it anymore.